U-Ackerman bekufanele bonezwe ngengomso lakhe namhlanje, kodwa iJaji bekufuze likhuphe isahlulelo thiwa liyagula linamalonda emphinjeni beguthi sekuqale bona akhuphe isahlulelo esinamakhasi ngaphezulu kwama-60 iveke ezayo ngoMvulo.
I have the judgment. I've shown you it's available. It's pretty lengthy and I have to read everything. I have a slight throat inflammation. And for that reason, I'll give judgment on Monday.
Esenzweni esirarako, u-Ackerman uthe angangena ekhotho wakhuluma nababikiindaba wathi yena kanacala.
I've never been malicious, I've never harmed anyone, I've never done anything wrong to anybody.
You don't think handing boys over to an HIV-positive man is wrong?
Handing over? They knew he was HIV positive. They knew they were going to.
Inhlangano ezilwisana nokukhahlumezana zithi amagama ka-Ackerman atshengisa bona akazisoli ngezenzo zakhe.
It's a huge level of kind of denial around his part in it. So he believes everybody else is at fault but him. So that was the legal defense. Now, in terms of the psychology of it, or his thought process, he's created a world where he denies that he did something wrong. He denies that it's affected the children negatively and the families negatively. He denies that he's responsible for everything. And what that means is the most important thing to understand about what that means is that his chance at rehabilitation is extremely poor.
Phambili umtshutshisi wayekhotho bona u-Ackerman abethe ngesazo eliqinileko. Umbuso ungangelithi umsolwa kusolwa bona bekalulubeza abesanyana abafundisa into ezihlaza bese yabathengisa. Kanti abanye babo bangaphasi komnyaka obudala. Umbuso wabo unabofakazi abama-20 kuthi 10 labo kube ngekusolwa bona wongazimbi kanti munye wabo uveze ukuthi sekatheleleke nge-HIV.